Hi, art scholars. This is Miss Alfaro and Miss Paula. Have you ever wanted to design and construct your own building? Architectural elements vary in different parts of our world. Well, when we saw all the cardboard from True North's expansion, we knew what to do. From planning, constructing, and spray painting, our art scholars enjoyed a day filled with wonder. Working together as a team really pays off. Let's take a look at their final results. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will showcase our art scholar sculptors. Remember to always think outside the box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.